I'm going to make it easy to find the perfect drone for you. I'll be breaking down the top 5 best drones on the market, and regardless of whether you're a casual flyer, a personal drone pilot, or anything in between, I'll have the perfect drone for you in this video, so stay tuned. All the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. The products mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so be sure to stay tuned till the very end so you don't miss anything. Starting off, I've got the DJI Mini 3 Pro, which is my choice for the best drone for beginners. I believe the DJI Mini 3 Pro is the best drone for newcomers, as it's a compact drone with an impressive camera, useful obstacle avoidance, and a couple of handy automated flight modes to help beginners on their first few flights. The Mini 3 is for those who want to spend the extra dollar for a high-quality quadricopter that will be able to shoot jaw-dropping footage of your trips or landscapes. On top of that, it's ideal for beginners due to the numerous newcomer-friendly functionalities. The first feature that's extremely useful for beginners is the tri-directional obstacle sensing. If you're worried that you're going to crash your Mini 3 on your first flight, don't worry, because the obstacle avoiding sensors equipped on the drone are spectacular and work flawlessly. The tri-directional obstacle avoidance works in tandem with APAS 4.0, the advanced automatic pilot system that stops the drone automatically if you're running into an obstacle and avoids it on its own. On top of that, the Mini 3 Pro has some fantastic automated flight modes to shoot movie quality footage even if you're a beginner. For instance, there's Quick Shot, which lets you easily shoot dynamic videos, and Focus Track Suite, which allows you to track subjects autonomously while you fly the drone. When it comes to image and video quality, the Mini 3 does not disappoint. Thanks to the 12.1 megapixel 1 in 1.3 inch sensor, it's able to capture staggering 48 megapixel photos that are incredibly good for a drone at this price and small weight. Video is also excellent, and the Mini 3 can capture crisp and vivid video up to 4K resolution, and the video image quality are on par with much more expensive drones. However, if you want professional level camera quality, the Mavic 3 is a better choice. DJI's Mini 3 Pro is tiny and lightweight, making it the perfect pick for travelers. Plus, the drone weighs less than 250 grams, meaning it doesn't require an official registration to be flown. The Mini 3 Pro won't disappoint you if you want to start your drone journey with exceptional camera quality, portability, and beginner-friendly features. Next on my list is the DJI Air 2S, my choice for the best drone for most people. So if you're looking for the best drone for most people, the DJI Air 2S is hard to beat with its unbelievable camera, great portability, and numerous helpful flight modes. Now, design-wise, the DJI Air 2S looks and feels very similar to its predecessors. However, compared to the Mini 3, you will need to officially register this quadcopter before flying it, as it weighs over 250 grams. Although the Air 2S is not as beginner-friendly as the Mini 3 and is more for advanced drone flyers, it is still straightforward to use for newcomers too. The Air 2S has incredibly precise anti-collision features, which makes it easy to fly, even for a first-timer. On top of that, there are automated photo and video modes to make your footage look like it was professionally shot, even if you're not a pro drone photographer or videographer. For example, there's Quick Shot, which allows some exciting shooting modes like boomerang, circle, and rocket. Additionally, a focus track mode enables you to follow subjects with the camera automatically, and Master Shot, which makes the drone perform impressive maneuvers around a selected subject for mind-boggling footage. Now, when it comes to the camera, the Air 2S's image and video quality is staggering and arguably the best when it comes to consumer drones. It sports a 20 megapixel 1-inch sensor that allows you to take bright, crisp, and vivid pictures of your favorite moments. In terms of video quality, the Air 2S can shoot up to 5.4K at 30 frames per second, which is unbelievable for a drone this small. And if you're an aspiring professional videographer and don't want to break the bank on professional drones, the Air 2S is the perfect pick. The battery on the 2S isn't too great at 31 minutes of total flight with a full charge, but it is to be expected for a drone with this video and image quality. DJI's Air 2S is a magnificent drone with fantastic video and image quality packed in a small, lightweight quadcopter. Up next on the list is the DJI Mavic 3, my choice for the best overall drone. With shocking video quality, excellent safety features, and a boosted battery life, the DJI Mavic 3 is probably the best drone overall right now. Naturally, you can find a better drone than the Mavic 3, but you'll be paying double, triple, or even quadruple what the Mavic 3 costs, while only getting marginal improvements. The design of the Mavic 3 is very basic. However, the drone is quite compact. When it comes to weight, the Mavic 3 is not the most portable drone to carry around, as it weighs 899 grams. So if you're looking for a great drone that won't weigh you down in your backpack, the Mini 3 Pro is probably a better option. Flying the Mavic 3 is an adrenaline boost, as the quadcopter is very responsive and best suited for more experienced pilots rather than beginners due to its highly responsive commands. It could still be used by newcomers, but in my opinion, there are more suitable options at more affordable prices, such as the Mini 3 Pro or Mini 2. The Mavic 3 is not just powerful, but also remarkably safe, with multiple vision sensors for obstacle detection, a return to home feature, and the new APAS 5.0 for obstacle avoidance. Video and image quality are arguably one of the best I've ever tested in a drone. With its dual Hasselblad camera and the main 20-pixel 4/3 CMOS sensor, you'll be able to capture breathtaking pictures of your trips or landscapes. The video on the Mavic 3 is also fantastic, and the drone can shoot crisp and colorful videos at a resolution of 4K. So if you're a professional videographer or photographer looking for creative ways to shoot content, the Mavic 3 is the drone to get. The battery is also surprisingly good for a drone this big and powerful. In fact, the Mavic 3 can fly around for 44 minutes before needing a recharge. Although the Mavic 3 has staggering capabilities, it doesn't come cheap. The main drawback for this quadcopter is the hefty price, but it is worth every single penny if you're looking for professional level camera quality. The Mavic 3 is a fantastic machine and arguably the best drone overall due to its shockingly good camera sensor, flying features, and great battery life. If you're interested in updated pricing on any of the items mentioned in this video, be sure to check out the links below. Prices update on these products almost daily with sales and general price drops. So if you want to find the most updated information, check the description. If you find this video helpful, please help out the channel by giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing. Next up on my list is the DJI Mini 2, my choice for the best drone for the money. If you're a beginner in the drone world and don't want to spend a fortune on your first quadcopter, the DJI Mini 2 has many great features at an affordable price. The Mini 2 is incredibly compact and weighs only 249 grams, so you don't have to register the drone to fly it. The compactness of the Mini 2 is also great for newcomers who love to travel the world and want breathtaking footage to show friends and family. Unlike the Mini 3 Pro, the Mini 2 doesn't have obstacle avoiding sensors on the sides, front, or back, which could be a deal breaker if you're a newcomer and you plan on flying this drone in areas with multiple obstacles. The controller on the Mini 2 is ideal for beginners as it has automatic takeoff and landing buttons for the first few times you'll try to fly the drone right out of the box. And after a few tries, you probably won't need them anymore. However, it's a wonderful addition for those who feel insecure about their flying capabilities. When it comes to camera quality, the photo and video capabilities of the Mini 2 are fantastic for an affordable drone. With its 23 megapixel, 1.5.3 inch CMOS sensors, the Mini 2 can capture great images and video with crisp quality. Video resolution can go up to 4K, and the results are impressive for a drone with such a small sensor. So if you're a professional videographer or photographer, the Mini 2 isn't going to cut it for you. However, if you're a casual traveler who just wants cool footage to show, the Mini 2 is the best drone for the money with its remarkable camera quality, lightweight, and affordable price point. And the final drone on my list is the DJI Avata, my choice for the best first-person view drone. The DJI Avata is one of the most unique drones on the market due to its first-person view mode. DJI's Avata is different from most other drones right out of the box thanks to the goggles it comes with, which allows you to have a first-person view through Avata's camera. When flying the Avata, you feel like an eagle speeding through the clouds, and the whole experience is actually quite breathtaking. If you're looking for a one-of-a-kind experience, to see how it feels to fly like a bird in the sky, the Avata is the closest thing you can get to that feeling. Now, design-wise, the Avata is not a large drone. However, it's not foldable, and for obvious reasons, the Avata cannot have obstacle detection features as it would make the first-person flying experience a complete mess. So DJI decided to equip the quadcopter with rubberized protective rings wings, making the Avata extremely sturdy, as you'll probably crash the drone a few times when testing the FPV mode. Because it lacks obstacle avoiding sensors, and due to the FPV mode, I wouldn't recommend the Avata to newcomers, as there are much better options such as the Mini 3 Pro. On top of the unique FPV experience, the Avata has a surprisingly good camera that's capable of shooting fantastic videos in 4K resolution and 60 FPS. The photos are also gorgeous. With a 48 megapixel sensor, the camera operates in an ISO range of 100 to 6400, but it also has manual settings for professionals. Even though the Avata offers a unique first-person experience and has a great camera, it's also quite expensive. But I think the first-person view alone is worth the money. If you've always wanted to feel like a bird flying through the clouds, the Avata is the closest thing you'll get to that feeling. And if you consider the beautiful footage you can shoot with the Avata, this drone is a must-buy. If you guys like this video or learned something, please give it a like. And be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing on all the products mentioned in this video. That's all. Till next time.